Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to verify your identity on Underdog Fantasy. Let's get started. First of all, open the Underdog Fantasy app or website and log in with your credentials. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and head to the account settings section. Look for the option that says verify identity or similar. Click on it to begin. You will need to enter details like your name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all information matches your official documents. Next, upload a valid ID such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear pictures or upload files directly. Once, submit your information and wait for Underdog Fantasy to review it. This take a few minutes to a couple of days. That's it. Once verified, you will unlock full access to features like withdrawals and enhanced account security. Thanks for watching.